Hello everyone. Welcome to EDF and 320 530. And I just want to give you a quick tour of our D2L page. And I am using one video for both section A, section B, and section C because all the three courses were set in the same format. So when you log in, don't worry, you will see some things that you cannot see because this is my view. This is an instructor view. So when you log in, I know many professors use a different format of organizing their classes, but I am doing mine from the point of instructional design so that I can provide you with an opportunity to easily navigate through our D2L course shell. So first of all, this is the front page, and any day or any time when there is an announcement, our announcement will pop on here. So once you click on your D2L on the home page, you'll find the announcement here. And this is an easy way that you can go through accessing the course content. So all the weeks were structured here, and depending on which week we are at, you can click on it from here and you can access that. And this is our calendar updates. If there is anything coming up on the calendar that I connected, you can also find that here on your home page. And this is my contact information. So because this is virtual, you don't have to have the actual link to join my office hours if you need me at any time. So these are my office hours. When you click here, this link is an hyperlink. It will take you directly to my office hours. And this is the passcode for that. I have office hours on Mondays 1 to 4, Tuesdays 11 to noon, Wednesdays the same time 11 to noon. And if you cannot make it during my office hours, please feel free to shoot me an email. I will try to be very quick on email. So all that being said, if you are facing any technical difficulty, please use this information to reach out to the IT help desk, which they will reach out to you like in a blink of an eye. Or if that is not the case, you can actually email a live chat with the IT, and that one they can provide you with provide you an instant help. So the next thing is I want to take you to where most of the content in this course are. You will go to resources. Mostly you will go to content, right? So when you go to content, like right now, you will be seeing things from my view, which I believe if you log in your class at any time we start or the course start, you will not be able to see some of this. So the first thing I will advise you is please try to go through module 0, because under module 0 you will find a welcome information on this course. Depending on whatever section you are taking, if you are section A, section B, section C, mostly this information is the same. But here, depending on the section, you will find the course syllabus. I advise you please read this syllabus for the first couple of weeks, like make say week 1, week 2, so that you will have a clear understanding of my expectations for this course. And I have also course etiquette, which will tell you how you will conduct yourself while communicating with the students, while communicating with me, because this is an online course and we don't get to see face to face. So please try to follow these guidelines that will help you and me to professionally conduct yourself in this course. Then another thing is discussion board expectations. We have discussion board. So these are my expectations for the discussion board. And for whatever post, I am not this kind of person who will limit you by saying, oh, I want you to limit you to maybe post your post should be 150 words, or your post should be 100 words, or your post should be X and X amount of words. What I want is, I said, make sure your post is substantial, right? Substantial, like get in there, describe whatever is required. Feel free to write as much as you can. I have the time to read what you've written there. So also I have a rubric for a discussion post. So anytime we're having a discussion post, please use this rubric to guide you on maybe number of responses and how do I take points or how do I award points for discussion post. And this one is MU policy for responsible use that will tell you on how you can use things from the university, academic integrity information. All these are links direct from the office of the registrar. So please, you can take time and explore those, and these are very similar. Like all the professors put the same information in face-to-face or even an online class. And these are my technical suggestions as it relates to this course. And this is also something that you can find on MU. And if you need any help, don't forget, always I have this button here that you can reach out to the IT people for quick response in terms of help. And this is something related to content. So for this course, pretty much I think I'm all set, but I have a rule that I don't open course content until Sunday of the week to come, because I don't want to make all these modules or week open for you. Then you will be juggling around. Oh, maybe you jump onto a week that maybe that week we have tons of things to do. You will get so overwhelmed before we get to that or at the beginning of that week. So I want to avoid that. That was why I have that rule of opening content only on Sundays going to the next week. And after this, then you can see something on the discussion post. Also here on the communication, the feature we'll be using here is mostly the discussions. So also here on the discussions, I have everything here laid out, right? But here you can see that I'm not posting the prompt until that time for the prompts or the week we are having the discussions. So they are all structured here, and our learning community conversations, which we will also discuss this extensively when we are discussing the syllabus. And also part of what I have here as unique, this help button. Please, if you need any help related to this course, just come here and put on your question. And I suggest also you all subscribe to this thread, because the notification goes to your email directly if it is a question from me, anything that has to do with like the course things. Maybe somebody from the class can even provide you with an answer if I take a long time to get back. So we are trying to create a community here. And the next one is self-introduction. And also when we discuss the syllabus, I will make sure you will have my self-introduction and you will see the expectation. But the only thing here is maybe I might not gonna answer these questions because it's entirely different, and you can see these questions also are part of the questions you answered in the survey that some of you have taken. If you did not, I will still send the link, you take it, because here your colleagues, your classmates can be able to see your answer, but on the survey, that one is only for me. So going to the assessment section, and all the assignments are laid out, easy to navigate. And some of the assignments, you're not posting anything here. Like let's say for example, the discussion post, you're not posting anything. I only have it here. You see with this side is telling you it's related to your gradebook. So let's say at the communication on discussion post 1, you make your post there. There is no place for me to put in your grades, but I will come in here through the assignment or through the gradebook, and that is how I can post the grade and you will see it. So you don't have to actually post anything here under the discussion post. The same thing with learning community conversations. Sometimes this learning community conversations might be a group work, or sometimes it can be individual work. Depending on how I see you getting engaged with the group work, then we will do that. So you don't have to also post anything here. The midterm exam and the final exam, I will also go to where you will be able to access them, to show you where you can access them when it is time. So this is all about the assignment, self-introduction. You are not posting anything here. Technology presentation is towards the very last, towards the end of the semester, which we will discuss on the syllabus, and the survey for all of us that take it by weekend. Hopefully by weekend I will post all the grades and you will see how it goes. So in terms of assessing our midterm and final, when it is time, you will log to the you come here under assessment, you go to quizzes, and because now there is no quiz here, so this is where you will find your midterm, and this is where you find your final exam. So please, I want you to take time, as I said, go through the content of module 0 and make sure you have some questions related to the syllabus and things like that. When we meet, then we will take it from here. And I wish you all have a successful semester, and I look forward to our time together. Thank you.